Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord brake light. First, ensure your car is safely parked and the engine is off. You'll need a new brake light bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Open your trunk to get ready to access the light assembly. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Let's get started with the next step. Now that you're prepared, let's access the bulb. Inside the trunk, you'll see the tail light assembly. There are usually two retaining screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the car. It should come free with a little effort, revealing the wiring. With the tail light assembly free, you can now replace the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually a different color or size. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the socket. Make sure it's seated correctly before reassembling everything. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly back into its position on the car. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Test your new brake light to ensure it's working correctly. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite for all your reading adventures. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.